Sariba with the leather. LA again. And an out for him. And now Arteliaga. Looking for Hecolea. Siya pinakamalaki sa ilalim. Inikutan lang yung mga players ng MG. And that sends Mafia out by 4. Sariba to Reyes. Didiskarte si Kenji. Reyes kicks it out. He can't get it closer. And siya rin yung matatawagan ng blocking dog. Nabunggo niya na si Arteliaga eh. Was that Baltasar? Parang bagong gupit si Jaire ngayon. Oh, si Ibanez pala. I thought it was Jaire though. Now Carl Vincent Cayaba is on the floor for MGB. Nido lost it. Haley is in trouble. Nakuha ni KV. Carl Vincent on the run. Ibanez. Mukhang hindi sila nagkaunawa ng pasa no? Nido on the attack, taken away by Carl Vincent. Delgado puts it up. No! Gosh! We'll have it. Hecolea working against Beliecer. Out to Haley. Mabilis yung response ni Ibanez doon. Nakaharapan agad siya. Arteliaga goes closer. And Bedua will make it. Cayaba. Napunta kay Kosh. And now Haley will push through. Nido will face the line for true shots. Beliecer ang maiimbestigahan. So right away, nagkaroon ng palitan na tao dito. Liam Sinag is now on the floor together with Oko. Well, Liam Sinag, we've seen Liam playing for MGB sa Season 5 natin at maganda yung performance ni Liam on the past games nila, no? At talagang napapakinabangan ni Coach Keeve. Yung laki ni Liam at sipag niya, rejecting those middle or mid-range access mula sa kalaban. Tignan natin kung makakapag-deliver ng blocks. Etong si Liam for MG. Cayaba will stop. They go to Ibanez. Sinag with the looper. Esker! Kapapasok lang na itong si Liam. And we just talked about him. Nakakuha na agad ng 2 puntos. Federico sa ilalim. Block by Liam. Hinaw Ibanez. Nagawa agad siya. Ibanez serves it back. KV gets it through. Will cut down the deficit back into 3. Mapapahilir timeout si Coach Benjo dito. Take a look on that swapping pasa mula kay Ibanez. And ang re-brain shot na yan ay hatid po sa atin ng AJ Sports Apparel, our official outfitter. Nalagpasan mo na yung antok moment po. Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako, tumitres, lumilay up. Hindi ka boss, mga moves na pang-hoops ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. 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 Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako, tumitres, lumilay up. Nang hindi ka boss, mga moves na pang-hoops ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball. Shoutout kay David Jake Napoles tsaka kay Kent Mercado nanonood ngayon. Parang bagong gupit ba si Kano? Ah, hindi. Same hairstyle pa rin, ha?
Ibanez looking for the... Oh, what a stop! Sometimes you need to think better than what you're normally thinking. Konting IQ plays lang din eh. Delgado knows na kapag stop siya, buti full stop yung ginawa niya kasi kung napakusod pa yan, matatravel siya eh. Now he's with Kayaba, Oko, Sinag at Ibanez. Kontra kay Vizcara, Nido, Gime, Federico at Dio Careza. So eto na. Kaso nilabas si LA Sariba at si Kenji Reyes eh. Mukhang hindi ayaw pang pag-match yun ng dalawang coaches yan ha. Delgado with the leather. Under 4 minutes here. Liam again. He feeds Ibanez. He gets the basket because Samawang foul. How about that feed? Maganda yung bounce pass dun eh. Somehow, Liam Sinag is a good cutter on the side of MGB. Talaga napapakinabangan ni Coach Kib yung tangkad netong si Sinag. The ball's recovered by Saijan. But KB was there with the hustle. Kayaba knocks it home. And believe it or not, nakalamang na ng 2 puntos sa mga bata ni Coach Kim. Dio Careza wanna get away from 3 people. Sino kaya sa kanila ang matatawagan? It was against Carl Vincent. First personal foul on Kayaba. Speaking of gupit ha, parang di ko nakitang magpagupit itong si Kayaba. Parang gusto niya talaga yung ganyang hairstyle eh. Now Dio Careza looking to capitalize that second free throw. Bumimintis yun. Kayaba. Diego Delgado, he puts up a long one. That would work. Saijan will board it. And now Haley will drop it to Gime. Martin Ariel. No, it was Federico who will help him out. So, tandem-wise, may dynamic duo din tong Mafia eh. And we have there Federico and Gime. Sila talaga yung hindi mo mapaghihiwalay eh. Just like Piana and Alcantara ng San Pablo. Pero ngayon, mukhang magkahiwalay sila dahil si McCoy nasa SPC. Si Kurt lang nasa San Pablo. Dito for long one. Di Ubra. Shoutout kay Eliba. At kay Yeshua Asin. Ano din sila ngayon. Mamaya makikita nyo ang SSA ulit. Now Yuki Floralde, one of the best role player in MGB is being deployed now. Sisimula ni Yuki. But that's an off angle. Pero diretso yung tira ni Floralde dyan. Timeout is requested. The MGB is back on board by 1. Magbabalik po tayo less than 2.5 minutes. Kaya mo, kamay lang. Bigay lahat ng makakaya. Oras ay bilang. Pasa mo sa libre, tira 3. Foul, basket, bang. All eyes on you pag nasa court. Kaya give your best. Teamwork at coordination, gumawa na set. Tiwala lang sa team, wala dapat mainis. Focus lang sa goal para sure win, effortless. Pag di mo na kaya, pasap ka lang sa kakampi. Hindi mo kailangan pilitin yung sarili. Upo ka muna, huminga, pahinga lang sandali. Pag kaya mo na magsabi ka lang, gera na ulit.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, di nako. Tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na...
So we are back in the ball game now. Grabe yung performance each team. Liam from the elbow. We can see there
Manager Zali Bandao always present. Si parang sports commissioner na nga itong si Boss Sally. No? Talagang napaka-very supportive niyan sa mga bata ng MGB. The up pass was too high. At hindi makikuha yan ni Martin. Maganda yung naging body build ni Martin Gime dito kasi way back nung uli ko siya nakita, medyo chubby si Martin eh. And mas tumangkad siya ngayon kasi from 5'5", naging 5'8" na yung height ni Martin Gime. So medyo mabigat-bigat na. Nakaharap ito dahil point guard ang laruan ni Martin Gime and he knows how to drive inside. Kaya ba, from the baseline, nagdinikling sa baseline si Carl Vincent. And that will bring MG up by 3. Haley is in trouble. Yuki with a steal. Floralde. Mabibitan Ibanez for the stick back. Gime Lokis Federico. Saijan will be testing those boys. Netong si Oko at Ibanez. Sa harap si Federico sa free throw line for 2 shots. Coach Benjo redeploying Arteliaga sa loob. Kasama pa rin niya dyan si Nido, Gime, Vizcara at Federico. Kontra kay Oko, Sinag, Ibanez, Cayaba at Lorande. Yuki with the leather. They got to call Vincent. Cayaba ulit. Baseline jumper. That wouldn't work. Ibanez trying to save it. Out to Liam. Wala pa rin. And now everybody in Mafia pushing forward. Martin Ariel. He feeds Arteliaga. 2 free throws na naman for Mafia. It is Liam Sinag whistle for that foul. Marami na naman ang nanonood sa ating official Facebook live stream. Huwag niyong kalimutan para makasali kayo sa Ligaw na Sapatos giveaway. I-share niyo na po ang ating live stream. Lahat po ng live natin ngayong araw. Gamitin lamang ang hashtag Velvet South Basketball, hashtag Ligaw na Sapatos at hashtag PSBL Qualifier 2025. Lagyan nyo na rin ng pinakamagandang caption na maiisip ninyo at kapag nakita yan ang ating management, you will be having a chance. Baka kayo na ang matamaan ng Ligaw na Sapatos. Floralde attacking the baseline. KB back. To Bernardino Ibanez. On the attack. He kicks it out. Floralde wide open. Kapos for Yuki. And now, Bernardino will hit home. 16 seconds for Mafia. It is now down to 7. Carl Vincent to Yuki. Yes, sir! .7 seconds. Inabot pa ng foul si Gime. And that will bring them a chance to take those scores from the free throw line. What a first quarter. Beautiful basketball execution. Mula rito sa MGB, they're up by 8 points, 22-14.
Boys, ready na ang gikas. Ilang segundo crucial. Walang kaba sa free throw. Lahat handa ng bumangga kapag sinabing let's go. Hang time, pwede pang mag-sleep. Pakita mo ang tikas mo na may sportsmanship. Bandang huli, lahat tayo ay mananalo. Kahit mag-beast mode, appear lahat ng manlalaro.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, dinakot, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Teka wait pare, pasa mo yung bola. Libre yung kakampi mo, wag ka naman suga pa. Hindi mananalo kung wala kang tiwala. Kaya nga kayo grupo kasi di mo kaya mag-isa. Hustle hard, wag kang tama rin, depensa lang. Pag alam mo kaya mo, wag kang mailang. Bigay lahat ng makakaya, oras ay bilang. Pasa mo sa libre, tira tres, foul, basket bang. All eyes on you pag nasa court, kaya give the best. Teamwork at coordination, gumawa ng set. Tiwala lang sa team, wala dapat mainis. Focus lang sa goal para sure win, effortless. Pag di mo na kaya, pasap ka lang sa kakampi. Hindi mo kailangan pilitin yung sarili. Upo ka muna, huminga, pahinga lang sandali. Pag kaya mo na magsabi ka lang, gera na ulit.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, dinakot, tumitres, lumilay.
Now it's our second quarter of action. Binabati po namin si Sean Hendricks, Geronimo at kay Nathaniel Gimpay na nanonood ngayon. Shoutout din po kay Mark Luwalhati ng Magdalena and si Carl Nixon Sarmiento. Second quarter, ang ganda ng basketball na pinapakita sa atin ng NGB. No? Talagang everyone is doing the best that they can to have those steals like what Yuki Floralde did. Ibanez trying to keep it alive. Nakuha yan ni Maglalang. Oh, Ibanez with a great distraction there. Floralde atake and he feeds Oko. Nabitawan ni Oko. Kosh is back on the floor. Now there with Yambao, Ecolea, Maglalang at Arteliaga. Kontra kay Floralde, Ibanez, Oko, Cayaba at Bernardino. Maglalang gives it with Kosh. The floater from the perimeter, the Obra. Bounces it to Gekolea. Bernardino back to Cayaba. Ibanez spin and baseline. That would have worked. Bernardino had a piece of it. Nakuha na ni Yambao and he's now securing that possession. For Mapia, Alvarez will attack Oko. Lumabas for Kosh. Well, so far we know that Kosh Alvarez is an aggressive player. Pero sumasablay yung mga tirada niya rito eh. Not like Carl Vincent. He's got double digits so far in the game. Oh, Cayaba. No, Yuki was there. Now Floralde. Intercepted by Maglalang. He attacks Yuki and now he finds Arteliaga. Lamang pa rin ang ani mga bata ni Coach Keeve. Ibanez to Oko. Carl Vincent takes it. Cayaba with an upstep. That would work. Bernardino trying to take it away from Kosh. Alvarez. Huli na naman. This time it's a 4-on-1. Ibanez. And Floralde will face the line for 2 shots. Arteliaga. Goes deep. Traveling ngayon. Bernardino looking to attack the baseline. Ibanez spinning, but he misses that angle. Well, so far napako kay MGB. I know etong Mafia nagmimintis naman on those attempts, but the full court pressure is there. MGB on the run. It's good. Yambao wanna find a way. Now Floralde will give it back to someone running down. Oh, what a block from Ecolea. Nauna na si Arteliaga, and he will secure it home. I don't know that Giriba is now inside for MGB na. Ayun pala yung tinutukoy ko si Giriba kanina, no? Giriba from deep. Diobra, Arteliaga back to Kosh. Alvarez looking to capitalize this time. Sablay pa rin para kay Kosh. Hinaw, Floralde puts up a long one. No, Bernardino for the stick back. Napansin natin medyo inihingal na si Yuki dito, but he needs to perform his role as a defensive player for MGB, dahil kung mawawala si Yuki dyan, mahihirapan sa depensa itong MGB. Traveling violation this time for Mafia. Ayun, napansin din ni Coach Keith na hinihingal na si Floralde doon. And he needs some air in there. Napaupo na lang siya. Valverde is now on the floor. Together with Sulit at Monterde. Caleb will pick it up. Monterde. Back to him. Caleb puts it up. That's good! Kapapasok lang ni Monterde. Sumali na sa 3-point party. Bernardino gets away. Napatulala si Arteliaga dun eh. Here comes those big guys. They locate Haley. Tito delivers. Valverde. Back to Caleb. He couldn't pull his trigger on the same spot. Iikot nila kay Pliant. Sulit. Crosscourt pass. Caleb once again. They go to Bernardino. 4 to shoot. Monterde launches it. Back-to-back hits mula rito kay Caleb Monterde, ladies and gentlemen. Alvarez. Kinukulit siya rito ni Sulit at matatawagan si Clian. Well, nice haircut ha for Clian Sulit. Less than 3 minutes to end the first half. Artiliaga with the leather. Saijan offering a screen. Artiliaga will find Hekulea. Nido for the long one. No. Artiliaga tries to clean it up. Saijan. Mabiipit. Get it far away. And now Valverde's running towards the basket. Magmimintis yung layup. Nido from behind. It was taken away by Caleb. They stop all the time. Well, nahihirapan ng mafia dito. Ma-predict yung mga wide open spaces na niyo-utilize ng mga shooters ng MGB. Ang resulta ng 14 na puntos na kalamangan, 36-22. We will be right back after the timeout.
Double crossover na parang Iverson gumana. Iwanang babantay sa'yo, fake sabay rekta. Quick release ang banat parang sa Perry tumira. Wag nga lang pakumpiyansa sa laro, bilog ang bola. Manalo sa laban, yan din gusto nilang makuha. Ipasa ang bola kapag hindi mo na kaya. Buong loob kang magtiwala sa iyong mga kasama. Iwasan ng turnover, tanggalin ang iyong kaba. Natural lang na ma-pressure pag dinouble team ka na. Sa mga play na ginawa ni coach, tayo ay mag-focus na din lang mga kalaban. Na parang na modus ay ito ay nalang dikdikan to. Coast to coast, kapag gumana to, champion tayo, tayo ang magto-toast.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako.
36-22. So like what I was talking about, they are utilizing some open spaces just like that. May malilibre na naman. It is Valverde from the left side. Trying to cross-court pass it. Nakuha ni Alvarez. Malakas yung pagkakapasa. It was Clean who will bring it back to MG. Sulit. Take it to Caleb. Monterde. Back to Clean. Sulit. To Bernardino. Cross-court pass. Valverde. With the floater. Up the glass is scared. Small ball movement para sa mga bata ni Coach Kiv. 16 na. Haley will try to cut down the deficit back into 13. At team niya pang foul. So, ito yung magandang pagkakadrive ni Haley Nido dyan eh. He finds the wide open space and scoop it up. Magaling sa pagpagapang ng bola papasok. Haley with a 3-point play opportunity. Our 3-point play already. At ito yan sa atin ng Blue Steel Enterprise. Built, create, inspire. Sulit. Wanna burn some time. This time si Caleb nasa kaliwa na. Clean. Looking for Valverde. Now he swings it around. Back to Monterde. To Clean. 5 to shoot. Sulit! Lights it up. Nido launches a long one. Couldn't get the bounce. Boyke Hekulea. Now Saijan. Napalakas na naman. Federico. Hindi talaga makakompleto yung 3-point play. It was Bernardino whistle for the foul. So now, pinaltan nila si Bernardino. Balieser is back on the floor. But anyway, halos isa't kalahating quarter naglaro si Bernardino dyan. Monterde, same spot. Different result na para dito kay Caleb. Oh, he picks it up. And you wanna save it. Caleb still has it. 8 to shoot. Guiriba will send it home. Alvarez down the middle. No for Kosh, 3 seconds. 1 to shoot. Hindi naabot kay Sarsha. Run of first half for both sides. Pero ang MGBJ talaga namang dominating performance, establishing a 17-point lead, 43-26.
Dapat lagi kang kumpiyansa kapag tumitira. Maging panalo kada lalaro sa liga. Di ka papagulang kahit pa napakalakas nila. Ipakita mo ang tunay na galing, na di ka pwede dapat na maliitin. Kung usapan ay laro dapat halimaw. Sintaas ng bola pag ginagis ka kasilaw. Tignan mong maigi ang iyong paligid. Baka may umagaw, pasa mo sa gilid. Titira ng tres, walang sasabay. Babaan lahat, matik to walang sablay. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako. Tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth as smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Dito sa laro, di lang puro atake. Dapat meron kang diskarte, di pwedeng makasarili. Galawang malapro, Jason Williams kung pumasa. Double crossover na parang Iverson gumana. Iwanang babantay sa'yo, fake sabay rekta. Quick release ang banat parang sa Perry tumira. Wag nga lang pakumpiyansa sa laro, bilog ang bola. Manalo sa laban, yan din gusto nilang makuha. Ipasa ang bola kapag hindi mo na kaya. Buong loob kang magtiwala sa iyong mga kasama. Iwasan ng turnover, tanggalin ang iyong kaba. Natural lang na ma-pressure pag dinouble team ka na. Sa mga play na ginawa ni coach, tayo ay mag-focus na lang mga kalaban. Na parang na modo sa ito ay nalang dikdikan to. Coast to coast, kapag gumana to, champion tayo, tayo ang magto-toast.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako. Tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth as smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig, basketball, liga, liga, liga,
Come
liga.
and bounce the ball, ikat sumabay. Bibihirang sumablay kahit sumakay. Mga maniti na ngay street ballin'. Determinado sa laro, we can never fallen. Kapag lumea parang agila, lakas ng stamina, run malamaki na. Kala mo nakakape pagkabarako. Kapag sumalaksak, lakad ay inaararo. Minulog pa si Steve Nash, di-wait ang speed flash. Cash out na ang mga boys, ready na ang Gcash. Ilang segundo crucial, walang kaba sa free throw. Lahat handa ng bumangga kapag sinabing let's go. Hang time, pwede pang mag-sleep. Pakita mo ang tikas mo na may sportsmanship. Bandang huli, lahat tayo ay mananalo. Kahit mag-beast mode, appear lahat ng manlalaro.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako. Tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth as smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Teka wait pare, pasa mo yung bola. Libre yung kakampi mo, wag ka naman sugapa. Hindi mananalo kung wala kang tiwala. Kaya nga kayo grupo kasi di mo kaya mag-isa. Hustle hard, wag kang tamarin, depensa lang. Pag alam mo kaya mo, wag ka mailang. Bigay lahat ng makakaya, oras ay bilang. Pasa mo sa libre, tira tres, foul, basket bang. All eyes on you pag nasa court, kaya give your best. Teamwork at coordination, gumawa ng set. Tiwala lang sa team, wala dapat mainis. Focus lang sa goal para sure win, effortless. Pag di mo na kaya, pasap ka lang sa kakampi. Hindi mo kailangan pilitin yung sarili. Upo ka muna, huminga, pahinga lang sandali. Pag kaya mo na
So what a second quarter and first quarter of action. Patuloy pa rin yung pagratsada ng puntos ng MGBJ dyan. They want to have those guys in black being dominated in the whole third quarter. Pero yung 3-pointers na yan ay hindi ubra. Put back. Will it work? And Caleb will be whistled for the foul. Maglalang. Diego Riambao. Before he passed it on to Nido, maaabutin ng foul itong si Yambao. Maglalang on the attack. He puts up a long one. Couldn't get the bounce. Haley with the spin. Huli siya ni Giriba. And ang Benterde will locate Balyeser. No! The ball covered by Hecolea and he gives it to Nido. Yambao will attack the baseline. Napagapang papasok ni Yambao. Nido to Hecolea, back to Martin. Now Gime will attack, and that is an offensive whistle against Gime. Mukhang nagka-miscommunication si Valverde at Sarsha doon. I haven't seen Mix Mix de Binagracia being used here by Coach Kiva, no? Isa sa mga Arellano players din natin yan, no? Talagang pahinga pa rin sa bench si Mix, eh. And I was waiting. Oh, that is beautiful for Maglalang. That was a filthy move. Can you replay it, Derek? And that's an opportunity. Balyeser on the move. He drops it to Guriba. Yambao. Diego Ronido. Kime puts up a long one. Martin delivers the paint. Monterde. Mawawala sa kanya yung possession. (49-38). And now they cut down the deficit back to 11 now. Kanina 17 yan. Siyam na puntos sa lang kabi ni Hailey. Now Reyes na agawan. Back to rackets for Mafia. Baba sa 7 puntos. That is a 10-0 run for Mafia. Alinyo. This time trouble for Ibanez. Yambao to Hekulea. Oh! He almost play above the rim. Pero nabutata siya dyan. Alinio. The good Carl Vincent to Kenji. Pinasa pa kay Alinio para makabawi. Sinag, back to Kayaba. Carl Vincent lays it home. So after they've had a 10-0 run mula dito sa Bafia, they send a 4-0 run naman kontra dito. Sa mga naka-team, babalik po tayo after the timeout. Nawala ba live?
Aminado kahinaan di tinago, niyakap ang pagbabago, nakinig sa mga payo. At dahil dyan ay lalo pang gumagaling sa hilig, nagiging marespeto, malakas puso at isip. Handa nang lagpasan yung mga dati ko na limit. Kung trip mo din maging big, tara sa Velvet D-League.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet D-League, basketball, liga, 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 liga. 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 Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako tumitres, lumilay up.
Gimme is telling his team to slow down. Pero mukhang hindi mai-slow down ng MGB dito. Kenji says it. Reyes to Sinag. Back to Alinio and Liam from the baseline. No! Liam wanna tip it back. And now it's Martin. Gimme to Yambao. Wala pa rin. Ibanez will attack this time. Kenji puts it up. Reyes is good. Oh! All of those access underneath are being denied on. Hekulea couldn't keep it alive. Tapi ka ng bola, makukuha na ni Liam. Here comes MG to Alinio. Grabe, Doc. Talagang palaban ng MGB. Haley goes down. Huli siya ni Ibanez. Kenji will flick it to Kayaba. Carl Vincent pushing hard. And now Alinio gets back-to-back. Reyes with an air steal. Haley lost it. Under 3 minutes remaining in the third quarter. Artiliaga from the baseline. And now Federico is back on the floor. Alino. Back to Reyes. Cayaba. Bounces it back to Kenji. And Reyes delivers. What? A narrow possession for Reyes. Talagang ibang klase, no? I've been watching Kenji Reyes play as a point guard. This time, pagdating sa puntusan, reliable din si Kenji. Even though hindi siya double digit dito, napakaraming assist yung ibinigay ni Kenji Reyes on the side of NGB. Nauna na ulit etong si Cayaba. Lista mo na, sabi ni KB. Patuloy ng lumobo ng tuluyan yan, ha? 21-point lead. And Liam Sinag. Oh, si Ibanez ang natawagan. Numero 13 pala. Liam secures it. Cayaba finds Alino. Papupunta kay Carl Vincent. Slicing through. Napalakas etong si Kenji doon. And Amapia looking to attack this time. Pupunta sila kay Kush na wala kay Alvarez. So on the part of Coach Benjo, mukhang iba yung level ng playstyle na inasahan nila sa side ng MGB, ha. Etong panibagong strategy ng MGBJ, having those two small but terrible guys sa ibabaw. And fast guards ay naging magandang advantage sa kanila. Back pass to Ibanez, that would have worked. So Ibanez steals it and he spins. Kosh lost it again. Delgado nauna na together with Reyes. Delgado puts it up. And it's foul. Three seconds left, and we still have one more quarter to count with. Alvarez, aatake. And Kosh will deliver it. Delgado puts it up the glass. And now, Kosh will be having some violation in the inbound. Balik sa MG ang bola, 1.3 seconds. Ibanez. Puntos para sa NGBJ. Yan ang pinakamataas silang kalamangan maitatala. Fourth and final frame na tayo.
Velvet D-League Basketball Liga Velvet D-League Basketball Liga Velvet D-League Basketball Liga
Come and bounce the ball, ikat sumabay. Bibihirang sumablay kahit sumakay. Mga maniti na nga'y street ballin', determinado sa laro, we can never fallen. Kapag lumea parang agila, lakas ng stamina, run malamaki na. Kala mo nakakape pagkabarako, kapag sumalaksak, lakad ay inaararo. Minulog pa si Steve Nash, di-wait ang speed flash. Cash out na ang mga boys, ready na ang Gcash. Ilang segundo crucial, walang kaba sa free throw. Lahat handa ng bumangga kapag sinabing let's go. Hang time, pwede pang mag-sleep. Pakita mo ang tikas mo na may sportsmanship. Bandang huli lahat tayo ay mananalo. Kahit mag-beast mode, appear lahat ng manlalaro.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, dinako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet D-League Basketball Liga Velvet D-League Basketball Liga Velvet D-League Basketball Liga Velvet D-League Basketball Liga.
Teka wait pare, pasa mo yung bola. Libre yung kakampi mo, wag ka naman sugapa. Hindi mananalo kung wala kang tiwala. Kaya nga kayo grupo kasi di mo kaya mag-isa.
Sa pagsisimula ng ating fourth and final frame, isang mabigat na 3 points agad yung nabitawan ng MGB dito, and that sends it home. So now we are with Sulit, LA Sariba, Bernardino, Delgado, was that Corcuera? Si Corcuera nga. LA down the defense. Finding Corcuera. He kicks it back out. Delgado for 3. Dio Obra. And now, Wico. To Yambao. Baglalang will attack LA. Arteliaga couldn't send it home. And from that rebound battle, there's a foul again na maiimbestigahan ng ating officials. Puts it up. O, basa pala yun, Torquera. So now MG is still holding on to that 20-plus point lead. And nakita naman talaga natin how dominating it was for them. Performing a beautiful, not just beautiful, but amazing basketball tonight inside the Santa Cruz covered court. Oh, sports complex. Baseline J is good. So now it's up to 32. How about that lead? Sapat kaya yung 6 na minuto mahabol ng Mafia yung 32 puntos? Oo. That's a travel. So mukhang nag-slow down na din, ano? Yung offense dito. And now, I've been waiting for Mix Magtarayo. Mix Divina Gracia. Inside, and now etong si Mix ay kasama si Sarsha, Oko, Di Maranan at Floralde. Mix trying to defend that ball. Naitawid na nila sa half line. Nicolea will attack Oko this time. Lalabas niya. Lahip to Arteliaga, wala. Divina Gracia. They go to Sarsha. Oh, he lost it. Arteliaga will attack Divina Gracia. Hindi nakapalag si Mix doon. Mix. Floralde on the move. Floater, wala. Uh-oh. Read a putback. Uh-oh, 8 seconds na yan from Deo Careza. Floralde back to Sarsha. And now Divina Gracia will attack. Mix goes down. He finds a spot. Well, kanina nabanggit natin na Mix Divina Gracia is playing with Arellano University. And now, ito nga ang pinagmamalaki ng Arellano. No? Halos 3/4 yung pinahinga ni Coach Kip eh. Well, talagang binigay itong last quarter as a playing time for Mix. Jugo. Jocaresa. Nice assist. So, under 3.5 minutes. We still have 3 more games ngayong gabi. Yung 22 under natin at yung 16 under natin. Oh, Divina Gracia finds a way. Nagi. To Hugo. He missed that. Vizcara naman. Wala pa rin, Di Maranan. Siya na yung magtatawid dito. Di Maranan from coast to coast. Mix, dive into it. Loralde to Divina Gracia. Big side step. No, Oko will revive 4 to shoot. He gets his own rebound. Sarciato Divina Gracia. Oh, Big steals it. And he lays it home very easy. Last 2 minutes, hatid po sa atin ng Velvet Media Incorporated, the official broadcasting partner of this qualifying, as Kenji Reyes gets the basket because sama pang foul. 2 minuto na lang nalalabi. Grabe, pamatay na mo kay Kenji. No? But he was able to maintain yung tamang landing niya. Kaya maganda yung kinalabasan dito ng tira ni Reyes, ha? Atid po yan sa atin ng Blue Steel Enterprise, built, rated, inspired at ng cool concept by RC Boy Princena. Salamat din po sa Ligaw na Sapatos brand, our major sponsor, sa AG Sports Apparel at sa Brotherhood Barbershop. Mix for 3. So until the final minutes of the game, hindi nawala yung trap ng MGB. Oh. Ganan ka role players yung ibang rosters nila rito, no? Especially Yuki Floralde is one of the best role player. Siya yung isa sa mga pinaka-senior player ng MGBJ dyan. I thought he was the captain, team captain dito, ha? Floralde to Divina Gracia. Nice D against Arteliaga, and now Di Maranan will attack. Libreng-libre na sa layup. So they're racing away the time. MGBJ with an awesome performance tonight. Talagang hinangaan yan ng mga karamihan sa kabataan na nanonood ngayon sa ating live stream. Coach Kev is really happy together with their manager, Mr. Zali Bandao, dominating this game against the Mafia. Susunod na isang under-16 division naman. Tignan natin kung ang Kuya Word Brookside ay umula sa lineup ng LAM San Pablo. 98-59. We will be right back after an interview with the best player of the game.
Parang Iverson gumana, iwanang babantay sa'yo, fake sabay rekta. Quick release ang banat parang sa Curry tumira. Wag nga lang pakumpiyansa sa laro, bilog ang bola. Manalo sa laban, yan din gusto nilang makuha. Ipasa ang bola kapag hindi mo na kaya. Buong loob kang magtiwala sa iyong mga kasama. Iwasan ng turnover, tanggalin ang iyong kaba. Natural lang na mag-pressure pag dinouble team ka na. Sa mga play na ginawa ni coach, tayo ay mag-focus na din ng mga kalaban. Na parang na modus ay ito ay nalang dikdikan to. Coast to coast, kapag gumana to, champion tayo, tayo ang magtutoast.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig, basketball, liga, liga, liga,
Come
liga.
and bounce the ball, likat sumabay. Bibihirang sumablay kahit sumakay. Mga maniti na ngay street ballin'. Determinado sa laro, we can never fallin'. Kapag lumea parang agila, lakas ng stamina, run malamaki na. Kala mo nakakape pagkabarako. Kapag sumalaksak, lakad ay inaararo. Minulog
Ito, grabe, isa sa pinakamasayang team in the under 16 division, MGBJ4. Kita nyo naman gaano kakukulit yung mga players nito. But then again, Carl Vincent Cayaba is the star of the game. Our best player natin, ha? Carl, anong feeling na ikaw na naman ang best player of the game?
Masayang-masaya po dahil nagpanang po po yung...
Well, matanong ko lang, this is your original team.
Yes.
Dito siya galing sa MGB. Kasi marami nagtatanong na fans because they've been seeing you in different teams before. Pero ngayon talagang inilaban mo yung mother team mo o yung alma mater team mo, which is the MGBJ4. Now, Carl Vincent, ano masasabi mo sa naging performance? And syempre, sundan mo na rin ng pasasalamat sa mga sumusuporta, lalong-lalo na sa team manager ng MGBJ.
Masaya-masaya po ako dahil nanalo po kami. At sobrang saya po ng MG team, lalo na po sa teammates ko. Shoutout po sa pamilya ko, lalo na po sa daddy at mami ko, sa mga lola ko, tita, at sa mga tropa ko sa Victoria, sa mga teammates ko, and sa coaches ko at sa manager, Boss Sally. Yun lang po.
So, anong standing nyo ngayon? 2-0 ba? 2-0, still undefeated ang MGB. Magbabalik po tayo as we are going to watch again another 1600 division. It's the Kuya Word Creekside taking on the Laguna Olmec San Pablo. Kaisang kawayan muna ulit mga players. So, isang kawayan muna ulit. Ayan, we will give you a chance. Kaway muna kayo sa camera. Magbabalik po tayo mga ka-Velvet. Stay tuned lang kayo.
Takpa sa jet, siya lang kasi may bilang. May mga hamak dyan sa gedli.